Hey, my friends, how you doing? Welcome back to Fergs Records here on Wednesday night. It's hump day, everybody, so you know what that means. Hump, hump, hump away, right? Something like that. Work hard. You don't work. As long as you're humping, it's hump day. Okay, don't have a lot of time tonight. It is a weeknight, you know. So, I just was playing around with the Keylab 88 built-in sounds that they come with, and I call this thing called flings. I can remember back in the late 70s, back at the Sunset Inn, when I was bartending, it seemed like I had a different fling every night of the week. So I thought this sound was interesting. I thought I'd play it for you. And hopefully we got the gain set a little bit better tonight, so you're not hearing such a big 60 cycle hum, but I can still hear a little bit in the background. I don't know if you can or not, but hey, I'm new to this. I'm still waiting to see your videos, see how clean a sound you can get, but it's a work in progress here at Fergs Records. 1976, life was so much easier. Nothing for kids to do but have some fun. We cruise around in our van with a case of beer in hand, looking for some easy girls just to have some fun. Well, something would always turn up, but it wasn't always good. But we'd make the best of it, 'cause we're having fun. Where are the kids to go when the school day's done and they wanna have fun? Where are the kids to go when there's nowhere to go? They've got nothing to lose. Out on the country roads where the traffic's very thin, we could cruise the night away trying to have some fun. Then the lights and back flash away as we make our getaway. The girls say slow it down now, it's not much fun. Now we're all lined up outside, leaned up against the van, and we all just start to laugh as he searched us down. 'Cause Tommy had stepped away, had been holding it most of the day, and then he started to go down that officer's lane. Tommy. Well, he took our Tommy away and we started to laugh our night away. We laughed about the day and what he had done, just to have some fun. Today kids carry a gun, they think they're having fun, but all they really do is scare their friends away. Well, there's got to be a better way than wasting time away. Got to go far away now to have some fun. Where are the kids to go when the school day's done and they wanna have fun? Where are the kids to go when there's nowhere to go? They've got nothing to lose. Well, there's got to be a better way than wasting time away. You've got too far away now to have some fun. And then the drums are all in there and finishing out the song. That's a different sound for that song, don't you think? Well, that's a quick Fergs Records for you. Come on over if you want to jam and record. Leave with a free CD here. We don't charge anything. You come over and make your video with your approval, of course. Have a good night, all.